I'll never understand how college and NFL football teams allow kickers that just miss kicks. I feel like there has to be pools of kickers in the USA that won't miss simple kicks. Would love opinions on this.
I'm going to tell you right now, bro. Kickers and punters and long snappers, they don't practice, bro. They only come out doing their special teams period. And, like, when they come out, bro, they do, like, 5 kicks and then they go play ping pong or something.